And I'd also like to know all the answers to my questions. There was just a coyote that ran by here in town in Manhattan. I was just thinking the last time a coyote thing happened to me. So they used to go all the time in Leonardville, and so did a fox. Every time I went to, there was always a fox that ran by me. And the last time it happened in Smith Center, Kansas. Goddamn hunter went and piled bodies of coyotes on the corner of the dirt road by my house. Like on top of my own pets and things. Coyotes don't go after like what people say they do, and they're not overpopulated. I don't understand what's wrong with you people. Why do y'all torture me like this? What did I ever fucking do? Why am I alive? Why did I get woken up from a fucking coma just so y'all could fucking keep torturing me? What are y'all fighting against? Who the fuck is the big bad Ashley that you're trying to destroy and hunt down? The whole power of all of y'all and my children. Why aren't y'all in fucking prison?